Many popular YouTube channels today use AI-generated avatars in their videos. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to create a realistic or animated avatar using artificial intelligence. By the end, you will have all you need to start making avatars like a pro. And if you stick till the end of this video, I will show you a quick, easy way to make your avatar move, and the best part is free. Oops, almost forgot. Please support the channel by subscribing. Many people are using Midjourney to create cool avatars, so I'll be showing you the latest version of Midjourney to see how powerful AI has become. For those new to Midjourney, here is how to get started. First, go to discard.com, click Login, and create your account if you don't have one already. After you logged in, click on Create My Own. Select for me and my friends, give your server a name, then take me to my server. Now, click on your server at the top and scroll down to the app directory. Type in Midjourney, click Add App, then Add to my server, click Continue, and again click Continue, and finish up by clicking I am human, and go to my server. Now, you are set up with Midjourney. Midjourney operates through the Discord platform, where users interact with its AI by using commands, starting with the slash. Type /subscription, click Visit Web. Midjourney offers both monthly and yearly billing options across 4 plans: Basic, Standard, Pro, and Mega. The main difference between these plans lies in the number of image generations available. If you are just looking to experiment and have fun, the Basic plan is a great place to start. For more frequent use, such as personal projects or agency work, the Standard plan is ideal. Large enterprises and organizations may find the Pro or Mega plan more suitable. Now, once you have subscribed, we'll continue with the tutorial. To create your avatar, type /imagine followed by a short description or prompt. The prompt describes what you would like Midjourney to generate. For example, I will use this prompt. I want an image of a friendly woman. I described her hair, her style, background, and atmosphere. The more descriptive you are, the better Midjourney can match your vision. Once you submit the prompt, Midjourney's AI will process it and generate your 4 images based on your description. This may take a few seconds to a minute. Here are the images. They look good, but this is not exactly what I'm looking for. Let's check what version we are using. Type /settings, and here we can check the version. In this case, we are using the latest version at this time, which is version 6.1. I will make changes to the prompt, and this time I will ask the AI to generate a Disney-inspired woman in her 30s. Here I also described her style. I want a cyber background and a hacker atmosphere. Let's see what it will generate this time. Oh, look at that! These pictures look great! As you can see, the images look more as a Disney characters, and this is exactly what I was looking for. I like more the image number 3. Midjourney provides option to refine your images. There is U, which stands for upscale. It allows you to enhance and add details to a specific image. V, which stands for variation. It creates a new images based on the version you like best. I will click on U3, which means upscale image number 3, and I will keep the same prompt. As you can see here, Midjourney made the image bigger and clearer. This makes it look more polished and ready to use or download. If we clicked on V3, Midjourney will create 4 images similar to the third one, giving you more options to choose from based on that style or look. I will go back to this image here and try this time very strong. This button generates different versions of the same image. We'll keep the same prompt and click Submit. You can see here that Midjourney generates the same image but in different positions. Sometimes with Midjourney, you might need to submit your prompt multiple times to get the exact image you are looking for. It can take a few tries, and you may need to tweak your prompt or even try again on different days to reach your ideal result. So what I'm going to do is I will submit the prompt one more time from scratch and see what it will generate this time. Wow, these images look amazing. The characters look more realistic. Okay, so since I'm going for a Disney style look, I'll submit the same prompt again without any changes since I already mentioned Disney character in the description. Let's see what we will get this time. Oh, that's amazing. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Some look a bit funny, but I really like image number 2. Now, I will click YouTube to upscale this one, which will make it bigger and clearer. To see it in more detail, I'll click Web to open the image in my browser. This opens it on Midjourney's website, where you can download it in high resolution, view details about your prompt, and look at other images you have already made. It's a super handy way to organize and manage your images. Here you can zoom in and zoom out to see all the details of your avatar. It looks absolutely amazing. Well, if you made it till this part, congratulations! This means that you are officially ready to create your own avatar like a pro. Now, for the magic trick, I'll show you a free way to make your avatar move. Many other websites offer the same animation features, but only with the paid plans. Go to Google and search for Hugging Face. Click on the first link, and you will see that this website offers free tools and forever. Can you imagine? It's forever. You can use these tools for free forever. Now go on the main page, search for Stable Video Diffusion, click the first option, and upload your avatar image or any other image that you want to use. I will use this image here. Click Generate and watch the magic happen. When it's ready, click Play, and you will see your avatar moving. It's like bringing your image to life. This tool can be a game changer for anyone creating videos. This channel is all about helping you make awesome, amazing videos with less effort. I'm here to make your video creation journey easier, so stay tuned for more tips, tools, and tutorials. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy creating!